Hello everyone, welcome to CodeGates. Now today I will tell you how to create your own package in Java and how can you import them into some other code and how can you use them. So this is IntelliJ IDE. So project is already created, or you can also create new project, pack demo, click on create, new window. Now here I want to create one package. So right click on the SRC folder. Just go to new option. Then here you can see package. Click on this package. Just name it like my pack. So my pack is created. Now we will create some classes and interfaces inside this package. So right click on my pack and just click on Java class and class 1. I will be creating some interfaces also. New Java class. You have to choose interface from here. Interface. Interface 1 and click on the interfaces. So you can see that inside this package, we have one class and one interface. So let's make this class abstract. So to make the class abstract, we have to use the abstract keyword. So public abstract class 1. What is the name of the class? Class 1. Why I am making this class public? Because we are going to access this class outside this package also. So if you will not make it public, it will not be accessible outside the MyPack package. So we have to make it public. Okay. Now I'm declaring one abstract method. Abstract class means abstract class can have two types of method. One which have only signature, no body. Another which can have signature as well as they can have the implementation also. So let me show you. If I want to declare a method which doesn't have any body, then we have to use abstract keyword. So I'm using abstract over here. Now public void, let's say display method. So this method has only the signature, no implementation. So we will call it abstract method. Okay. Now another method I am declaring, public void print message, and let me print some message over here like system dot out dot println. Let's say I am printing hi. I am non-abstract method, because the method which have signature as well as the implementation called the non-abstract method. So this is the abstract class which you have defined inside package mypack. So you can see here package is a keyword, then mypack is the name of the package, and in this package we have one class which is abstract class which have two methods. One is abstract which have only signature and another is non-abstract. That method has signature as well as the body also. Now just come to that interface. An interface, inside the interface we have to declare only the methods which doesn't have body. Means pure abstract class is called interface. No implementation of any method is allowed inside the interface. And let me declare some variable over here. Let I'm declaring name, and I'm just giving some name here also. So by default this name is final. Final means what? Final is used to declare constant in Java. That means there is no need to use final keyword in front of name. Name is already final if you are declaring this variable inside an interface. Okay. And one more method I will declare, public void display name. Okay. And this method does not have some implementation. It is by default abstract. Means whatever methods you will define inside an interface, they are by default abstract. Means only signature is allowed, no implementation. And whatever variables you are defining inside an interface, these variables are by default constant, or you can say final in Java. Means you can't change their value, you can access their value only. Okay, now I will create one more class in this package. Let's say I'm mypack class. Okay, now this class, now you can see that one interface and one abstract class is inside the interface. Now mypack class, now I will implement inheritance over here. Inheritance means when one class is going to inherit feature of some other class. So we are already having class 1, which is abstract class. So this mypay class will inherit which class? Class 1. So to inherit, we have to use extends keyword in Java. That means mypay class is going to extend which class? Class 1. So what should I write over here? I will write public class extends class 1. Okay. And this mypay class is also using what? It is also using interface also. What is the name of the interface? Interface name is interface 1. So class will be inherited and interface will be implemented. Just wait, it's showing some error. No, it's fine. Okay. Now nothing, not, this error will be resolved after some time. So we are extending one class, and this mypay class is also doing one thing. It is implementing the interface. What is the name of the interface? Interface 1. That means interface are always implemented, whereas a class is always extended. So what we will write over here? We will write implements. What is the name of the interface? Interface 1. So you can see this mypay class will have the features of class 1 as well as have the features of interface 1. Now what I have to do, because class 1 is abstract class. So whichever class is going to extend this abstract class, in that class, we have to implement this abstract method. Means we have to provide the implementation of this display method inside which class? mypay class. Okay, otherwise it will give error. So we will write public void. What is the name of the method? You can see the name of the method is display. So public void display. Now here in this class, we will provide some implementation of the display abstract method. So I will write system dot out dot println hi, I am abstract method. Okay, and we are also using interface 1. So inside the interface 1, we again have the abstract method. What is the method name? Display name. So we have to override this also, means we have to provide implementation of display name also. So again, public void display name. Let me copy this statement from here. So I hope everything is clear to you. I am method of an interface. You can see over here that there is no error. Okay. So whenever we are extending some abstract class or we are implementing some interface, I'm talking about the abstract class, not the normal class. If some class, listen carefully, if some class is extending abstract class and implementing some interface, then it is required for that class to implement the abstract method of the abstract class and interface method also. Means if we will not do this, this will give error. Okay, there is no need to implement the non-abstract method because it is non-abstract. There is no need to provide the signature or implementation. What we have to do, if because class 1 is abstract class, so if mypay class is extending some abstract class, then it is required for mypay class to implement this abstract display method. Now you can see there is no error. Now my package is created. So inside my package, what we have? I have one abstract class. Name of the package is mypack. I have one interface and I have one normal class also. Now I will create some other class like mypack demo. Okay. Now in this class, I am going to use my package. What is my package name? You can see here mypack. So I want to use classes, interfaces of this interface. So what I have to do, I have to import this package. So what I have to do, I have to write import keyword. Then what is the name of the package? Mypack. Dot. If I write a star, then I will be able to use all the classes, all the interfaces. But right now I am using only mypack class. So I will write the name of this. So is it clear to everyone? We have to write the import keyword. Then mypack is name of the package dot name of the class. Which class I am going to use? Mypack class. So I have just given the package name dot class name. Now inside this, I will create main method public static void main. Okay. Now I will create the object of which class? Mypack class, which is defined in which package? Mypack. So I will write mypack class m1 equal to my new, then mypack. Okay. Now, because I have imported the mypack package, so and I have created the object of mypack class, that means I was able to access all the methods of this class. And if I'm able to access methods of mypack class, and mypack class is extending class 1 and implementing one interface. So using the inheritance, I am also able to access all the methods of class 1 and interface 1 also. Okay, that means I can access display method, display name method, and I can also access print message method. Okay, so let me check this. You can also see this. So you can see this, the display, display and print message, all three methods are accessible. So first I will use display method, then m1 dot display name, then m1 dot print message. Now I will run this code and show you the output. So you can see display method, I am abstract method. That means display method is a method of which? Interface, interface 1. Hi, I am method of an interface? No. Display method is the method of the class 1, abstract method. Okay. Now, hi, I am method of an interface. That means this method is display name method. And hi, I am non-abstract method. This is defined in abstract class. So I hope this simple example of package is clear to everyone. I will be creating packages not completed yet. I will be creating more videos on packages concept, because we have to check that which type of functions, which type of methods, because this is public. So we are able to access. So I have to tell you so many things. So I will be create a continuous lecture on the packages. So this is my second lecture on the package. In previous video, I have described what is package. Now I have given you what is user defined package, how can user create its own package, how to define the classes inside the package, and how to use that package into some other class. So I hope this video is clear to everyone. If you like my video and channel, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button also. Thank you.